Uh, so I'm Nathanael. I specialise in segmented wood turning, and I'm really excited to be here this weekend at the Emerging Turners Workshop. And it's a really great opportunity to meet a load of other turners and to meet some amazing tutors and be shown these really cool techniques. And yeah, I'm really excited for it.
How do you describe your technique? What type of turning are you doing?
So I do segmented turning mainly, and so I specialise in segmented turning. So this is a dizzy bowl that I've made, or it's called a dizzy bowl, and it's where you glue lots of pieces together and then cut it all apart and spiral them round. And I've also worked on this torus there, which is pretty cool, and that's made with lots of segmented rings that are cut apart. So you make a segmented ring and then you sort of like cut a taper on it and sand a taper, and then they all fit round in a spiral, and because of the way that they're glued together, I've got this sort of spiralling pattern going through the segments as well, which I think is really quite effective.
So what made you take up segmented work?
I think the thing that made me take up segmented work is I was doing a lot of bowl turning, and I really enjoyed it, but then I wanted to challenge myself more, and with segmented turning you can make some really big stuff that you wouldn't be able to get out of a single block of wood. So by gluing up multiple pieces I can make something that's quite big without spending a ton of money on a massive blank. And also I really quite like the effect of segmented turning, especially with something like this where you've got different coloured woods and you can make patterns and stuff with it.
Lovely. When you met people on Friday, was there anybody here that you knew?
So before I came here on Friday I knew Owen and I knew Sean, and I think I've heard of a few of the other people that were attending, but those are the only two that I'd actually met before and that I knew.
And has it been worthwhile meeting up with the other, how many, 14 other students?
Yes, it's been very worthwhile meeting up with all the other students. It's been really great to talk to them and to get their ideas, to talk about projects and bounce ideas back and forth. It's been really good.